Since the Industrial Revolution kicked off in 1760, the world has seen textiles.
A brief history of banking. Have you ever wondered where banks came from, or how the idea of borrowing, lending, and saving money began? Let's take a quick journey through the fascinating history of banking.
Railroads and oil production boomed to become the largest and most influential industries in the world.
It all started over 4,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia. Back then, temples and palaces weren't just places of worship or royalty. They were also the world's first financial institutions. They recorded loans of grain and silver on clay tablets, helping farmers and traders manage their goods and debts. In ancient Greece and Rome, banking became more recognizable. Moneylenders, called argentarii in Rome, exchanged coins, held deposits, and issued loans. But interest was controversial. In medieval Christian Europe, charging interest, or usury, was considered a sin. Even so, banking survived through workarounds, especially by Jewish and later Italian merchant families. By the Renaissance, banking flourished. Powerful families like the Medici of Florence developed new financial tools like double-entry bookkeeping. Meanwhile, Islamic banking grew across the Muslim world, using ethical finance principles that avoided interest and promoted shared risk. In the 1600s, the city of Amsterdam created one of the first true central banks. Then, in 1694, the Bank of England was founded, not just to hold money, but to lend it to the government, laying the foundation for modern monetary policy. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries created huge demand for capital. Banks expanded rapidly, and new financial systems took shape, along with booms, busts, and the first modern regulations. By the 20th century, central banks like the Federal Reserve were created to manage inflation, prevent bank runs, and stabilize economies. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. The Great Depression in the 1930s and the global financial crisis in 2008 revealed the dangers of risky lending and lack of oversight. Today, banking is more digital and global than ever before. Online banks, mobile apps, and cryptocurrencies are reshaping how we save, borrow, and invest. And the core idea? Managing trust, money, and value. It's still as important now as it was in ancient times.
Global banking is not inherently evil. It is an industry like any other, full of businesses with a profit motive, employees to pay, and shareholders to keep happy.
From clay tablets to digital wallets, the story of banking is the story of how we organize our economies, build societies, and plan for the future.